Hi, hello. I'm Anthony Middleton, Ceph Community Manager. I'm excited to be here. This is my first time at CephLCon, also my first time in Vancouver, so it's been a great experience thus far. It's been awesome just to be here and talk to people who I've talked to online for the past 6 months. Getting to see them in person is always a really good experience, so I'm just happy to be a part of this journey. So thanks for having me here. As I said, I am the Ceph Community Manager. This is my talk today on empowering the Ceph users, powered by people, growing the Ceph community through user engagement. So I will talk about who I am, what we've done together as a community thus far, and where I would like to help out in helping shaping the future of Ceph. First, with who am I? For those of you who have not spoken to me before or don't know anything about me, I'm Anthony. I'm based in Chicago. I have about 7 years of experience in growing technical communities. I've worked with organizations such as Confluent, Hedera Hashgraph, led by Community, the University of Arizona, all with projects around helping developers and users learn open source technologies. So it's been a really rewarding career thus far, and I'm happy to share the skills that I've built over the years with the Ceph community and the Ceph Foundation. My passion is helping people connect, sharing knowledge and information, and just helping people build things that are meaningful and that are awesome and help make the world better. Fun facts about myself, I'm a part of the Chicago Gay Men's Chorus. I also play rugby. Those are two different worlds, but I like to think of they come together by being a part of a community that help people thrive, and it's about sharing voices and just being a part of something awesome. All right, so getting into my talk, I'd like to talk about what we've accomplished together since my time at Ceph. I joined this year in May, so it's been a great journey thus far. My focus has been on strengthening communication, visibility, and connection across the community. I've been able to help and encourage some of the new Ceph users and some of the new community members as well. We've been able to publish over 12 blog posts together. We've been able to grow our online community as well, seeing growth in our LinkedIn community with over 700 new followers. That's been really awesome to see. And also just increasing our transparency between the Ceph governing board and the Ceph community, which I'll get into that a little bit later. But it's been an awesome journey thus far of what we've been doing, and I'm looking forward to doing more. And looking into the future, going into 2026, my goals are clear and I'm a bit ambitious, but I would like for us to contribute in doing more of our Ceph days and helping with more ambassador-led initiatives, such as doing more Ceph days in Asia and North America. Also using new tools for data tracking and figuring out where our community is currently at and figuring out the health and engagement levels within our community. I'm familiar with quite a few tools that do that, and I'm also open to hearing suggestions if anyone has any other tools that they're aware of that can help us figure out where our community is at. Also, doing more to recognize contributors, not just people who are writing the code, but people who are contributing to our docs, people who are doing talks and leading technical conversations, and also people who are our advocates. I'm all about creating badge programs online and also doing online referrals that show recognition throughout our community. Also sharing regular updates from the Ceph governing board to the community in our newsletters and also on meetups. So just doing those things I think will help us. Also, you can see on my chart here, I see 2025 has been a year of understanding. So it's been a year of me coming into the foundation, understanding where we're currently at. And then 2026, I would like to apply some of the lessons learned from this year and just try different things and find out what's working and not working. And then 2027, just evaluate and repeat. I think that's definitely a way to show how we can adapt to changes within our community and just help our community continue to evolve. And asking, Why are Ceph users the heart of our community? Ceph users, I've heard this multiple times yesterday, Ceph users are the first ones to spot challenges, to share feedback, and also drive innovation. Ceph isn't powered by code, it's powered by people. So we have to create pipelines that help us understand where we're currently at and helping us being able to have information go in a way that helps the users, the developers, and the foundation understand where our pain points are currently at. Within this diagram, I was going to put like a photo of myself at the middle of it, but I thought that was overkill. So just know that I am the circle, then the dots that are connecting all of these people. I'm happy to hop on calls and have conversations with Ceph users to figure out like what's going on with them and figure out how we can help and just like help their experience be a little bit better and take that information back to the governing board and also back to developers so that way we all are on the same page. And you're probably wondering, how does someone get involved? There are several ways that people can easily get involved within the Ceph community. When it comes to contributing to our blog posts, I can definitely help with that and helping you polish those up and getting them live on ceph.io. I think also bringing back the technical talks would be a really good idea. That's something that my predecessor, Mike Perez, did during his time as a Ceph community manager. So I'd like to see us do that again. It would be just a monthly session where we could have someone talk about something that's going on within their ecosystem and how they're using Ceph. I think that would be a really great asset that we can have for like helping people learn about Ceph and also just helping people get their stories out as well. People can get more involved with our Ceph days in their regions. So like I said, we plan to do more Ceph days within next year. I think we have about 6 that are already like in talks. So we definitely want to see like how we can get more people involved in those. So please be on the lookout for updates around that on social media and also through our newsletters. You can also engage with us on social media. I think using our Slack is also a really good tool that people are very active on, which I'm very happy to see. Also, people engaging on our LinkedIn posts, on our Twitter messages and Blue Sky, within our newsletters, and also through our YouTube comments. And also completing any and every foundation engagement survey that comes out. There will be one that will be shared later today as well, so please be sure to take part in that. Okay. Also remembering like the Ceph Foundation is a very human element. At its core, open source is about people, not just technology. Great communities rely on communication, continuity, and inclusion. The Ceph Foundation's mission is to empower contributors and also to create pathways for new leaders. My term at Ceph has been really positive thus far, and it's been awesome to see every story come out and just being able to contribute to that. It's been a really awesome journey, so I definitely want to help more of that throughout my time here at Ceph. Now, here's another tool that I would like to introduce. I would like for us to start building a online database around who is in the Ceph community and how they would like to contribute. Whether you're someone who wants to contribute to our docs team, or whether you're someone who wants to write blog posts, if you scan this QR code, it's going to ask you for like a small amount of information and asking you how you want to contribute to the Ceph project. I think that would be a really great way that we can say easily, like we know exactly who to go to whenever we have problems, and that can just be like a resource that can be shared about, so that way we know who are the leaders within our organization around certain aspects. Lastly, thank you for having me here. Thank you for having me a part of this journey. Like I said, it's been great thus far. If you want to reach out to me, that is my email address. You can also reach out to me on LinkedIn, and I'm very active on Slack. I always respond to people's messages. That's my talk. Yeah, thank you, everyone. Oh, also, I have stickers. Can I bring them up here? I have stickers. I have a sticker of that. If you want a sticker, I have them. I'll be just hanging about today. So thank you. Take care. Enjoy Ceph Day. I'm sorry, enjoy CephLaCon.